Hey guys, it's Jess and welcome to my channel. Today starts the first day of my move back to college. I am going to be a sophomore at the University of Texas. Hook 'em horns. I love my school so much. I love my dorm. I'm going to be actually an RA at my dorm this year, which means I move in basically 2 weeks early. It's kind of crazy, but I think it's gonna be really fun. I start training, today is a Friday, and I start my training on Monday. So what we decided to do, because moving's such a mess. I do not like moving. Like, I know it's super hype because it's like, yay, college, but not a fan. So what we're gonna do today is I've got a bunch of stuff in storage. So we're gonna go up, I'm gonna check in, get all the information I need, and I need some paperwork too. So I'll go get that done, and then we are gonna go pull a lot of it, as much as we can, down from storage. I'm also bringing a few bagfuls of stuff. The main thing I need to move is on Sunday, part 2 of the move. So this is like part 1 is like bring a few things, do the paperwork, get the furniture moved down because I have a couple, gotta move my fridge, my desk, like random stuff. I'm also bringing my rug today. I wanted to bring my rug and like let it kind of get settled and flat, if that makes sense, because you know when you first unroll them they're not flat. So this is today, and then the next time on Sunday I'm gonna go and do most of the setting up. I'm gonna be decorating. I have to decorate a lounge. It's gonna be so fun. But so I wanted to take y'all along for this part of the move. If you're new here, be sure to head on down below, subscribe. We've got some really excited college school stuff going on, and I love doing lots of like lifestyle content that's really fun to watch. Hopefully it's fun for me to make. I hope it's fun for you. If you guys enjoy this, be sure to leave a big thumbs up, and yeah. So just in case y'all are wondering, I'm taking this picture for my lounge. I have 2 bags. This one is full of like containers for food and like random stuff that I just feel like I might use as an RA, and then this other one has more artwork in it. And so I'm just taking this and then a couple, I've got like another thing in the back of my car, and yeah, pretty light. I'm just so excited today to like get in my room. This is my first time having my own room in college. Last year I had a roommate and she was the best. Also curious, would you guys be interested in seeing like how to be a good roommate and like how to get along with your roommate kind of video? Because we were like, honestly, hashtag roommate goals. I would do hashtag, but I can't right now. Anyways, we were like really, I don't know, I just think our roommate relationship was really just ideal. And so if you'd be interested in that video, let me know, because we could give you some tips, talk about our relationship, how we met, like what we did to get along. Truthfully, we're both pretty easygoing, so it probably would have happened anyways, but there were some things I think we definitely did to respect each other and each other's boundaries, and I think that is so important. But yeah, let me know if you'd want to see that. Okay, so mom and I are in the car now. Woo. Oh, car's slowing us down. So we're on our way to my college. We are close, so we're good to go. We have, there's my headboard. We've got a little bit of stuff. It looks like we have everything loaded in the back. We have a few things. And I'm just like excited to go up there, get checked in, see the ladies who work there. I think it's just gonna be just a great time. I will. Okay, so I have this trunk to store some stuff in, and yeah. See, it looks like there's a lot, but really it's not too bad. We got, oh, I'm so excited for this rug. It's really soft, and I can't wait to show y'all. Okay, so I'm moving right now, and basically mom just had to go up the elevator by herself because I have this whole big headboard thing that is just kind of a pain to carry, and we realized that we wouldn't both fit in the elevator, so I am calling the elevator again, and I'll just go up by myself because it's an old elevator, old building, and it happens. Okay, I just got in. This is my room for sophomore year. Quick little empty room tour. It's pretty simple right now. My bed's in the corner, but I think we're gonna move my bed somewhere over here. Here is just the window. I have a view of the pool, and it looks so, okay, that's where I'd rather be. No, this is right now, this is just, I have my closet up here. There's a light up there. I can like hang stuff on that. We got my mirror. This is my moving day outfit if you're wondering. But yeah, this is what it looks like before, and I will show you an after later. I know. I don't know if I like what I just did here. Okay, so I'm about to turn my lights on, but if you'll notice, there's already really good natural light, which I love so much. But so, we're back. I just love this so much, y'all. It's a medicine cabinet. I've never had a mirror medicine cabinet. I've always wanted one. Look, you can still see me. Oh my goodness. Okay, Mom, what do you think?
Just ignoring you.
Okay, so here's the layout. We moved the bed. I think if you remember, it was originally right where she is, so we moved my bed here, and what it does, I need to walk out of the room. It makes the room like a square, so I will put clean sheets and bedding when I come back in a couple days. I just got my sheets, and these are my linens, and so I was gonna pick some to wash this weekend, and so we put my desk here with the desk chair. We put that nice chair there that Mom's just chilling in. Here's my rug. This is my dresser, and I think what we're gonna do is we're gonna bring my TV from home and put my TV right there. It's about like 22 inches, which I think is gonna, oh, I should measure that. But I think it fits perfectly there. I'll double check though.
Oh, you put it at an angle.
Oh, yeah, so it's fine. So then I just put, this is art that isn't entirely for my room, but this is gonna be for the lounge I decorate. I think it's just really pretty, but we set it there for now. And then these, again, aren't all for my room, but I wanted to have a little something so when I come back, it'll be cute. This was my fave because this was one of my favorite verses. So I'm excited. Those are just some pillows that need to have pillowcases. I have a shelf back there, which I use primarily as a nightstand. I love to put whatever books I'm reading, my journal, my lamp, like all right there. And yeah, that's all I have for now. This is my little room. It's still pretty empty. But yeah, we basically decided a lot of what we did not bring down was kind of like decorator stuff or like bedding, or I don't know, it just felt like it was gonna get really crowded and we didn't have like enough time to spend the entire day doing this because it's actually kind of dinner time now. What time is it?
Starving.
Oh, Mom says she's starving. Fun. Okay, we're probably gonna go eat now, but just like setting up the chair and the desk and like getting it, at least getting the furniture where I want it, I feel amazing about that. I'm really looking forward to moving in. Oh, one more thing. This means nothing to y'all, but so we have these blinds that last year everyone breaks them, and I was, we didn't break ours, but I always had to do it because I knew how to like just finagle it and be like very gentle with them. But like this year, we got cordless blinds, baby. I'm so excited, except the little wand for where you can't even see it. Basically, the thing you use to like twist them open and closed, I can't even reach it because I'm so short. And because the window goes like so high. Yeah, see that? I can't reach that, so we'll have to figure that one out. But I was just really excited that we have those new blinds because they did like fresh paint in most of the rooms, and like the blinds are new and everything just feels so clean, and I'm just, I'm so excited. We're stopping for some dinner. I love it. You're so Hey guys, I realized I didn't exactly intro this because I wasn't sure when I filmed this if this was going to be one part or two, just because it was over the course of a couple days and I felt like it would be really long. So part 2 is going to be coming soon after this, but it's longer, and so I just wanted to get this out there and put this up so y'all can be watching, maybe getting a little inspired. But yeah, I'm at my dorm right now actually. I am about to go back to training in like 2 minutes because we just had a lunch break and I finished, so I came up here to work on this. If you're wondering why I'm wearing a jacket in the middle of August, it's because dorms are freezing cold. So if you didn't know, bring yourself a little cardigan or a jacket. But yeah, basically, I hope you enjoyed part 1 to this video. If you did, please leave a big thumbs up. And if you're excited, you can always subscribe to see part 2 is gonna hopefully be coming this weekend. So I'm really, really excited to share that with y'all. There's gonna be more college videos and like back to school stuff soon. Once I start like actually interacting with more people, right now I'm like only with mostly RAs. Pretty soon I will be doing more lifestyle vlogs and fun stuff like usual, so be looking forward to that. I hope y'all are having an amazing week, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!